In this video, I will show you how to extract audio using FFStudio. The steps are simple, and you can follow along with me. Let's get started. Right-click and go to the input node. Select your media file. Right-click again and go to the output node. Choose file location and extension. Now right-click and go to the stream selection node. Switch to the select by type and choose your stream, in my case audio. Connect all nodes together. Now it's time to run the graph. Find the execute button at bottom right and click it. If you have problems, check two things. Don't overwrite an existing file, and make sure you have permission to read and write. Thanks for watching.